When you invest in real estate at low cost, you get more bang for your buck. Investing in real estate can be a lucrative and rewarding experience. However, it is important to make smart decisions and use good judgment when purchasing property. Low-cost properties are out there, and it is not always necessary to invest in high-end properties for a good return on investment. Investing in residential real estate can be a great way to grow your wealth. In this video, we will provide tips on where you should invest in low-cost residential property, as well as some helpful questions you should ask before buying. Consider subscribing as we post content daily to help you escape the rat race. Also, giving us a like is greatly appreciated, but no pressure. Back to the video. It is important to note that there are many opportunities for low-cost real estate investments, but it's also important to do the necessary research so you don't waste your time or money. Some people have found success by investing in foreclosures and short sales, while others have found success investing in duplexes and triplexes. How to take advantage of a low-cost investment opportunity in real estate. Investing in real estate is a low-cost strategy for those looking to develop their wealth portfolio. The affordability of the homes makes it an attractive opportunity for people who are looking to invest and grow their wealth. There are many tax advantages associated with owning investment properties, which include being able to write off mortgage interest, depreciation, and property taxes. Owning investment properties can be a great way to make money. If you are looking for financing, there are many options available for this, such as an FHA loan or a private mortgage insurance policy. You can also get help from your family and friends by getting a gift at the same time. There are also many housing assistance organizations that can help you fund your home purchase. So, how to spot a good low-cost investment real estate opportunity? First, you need to find out whether the investment property is in a good location. A good location would be in a high-demand area, close to public transport. A good location would also include an access to amenities such as shopping centers and schools. Next, you need to know the current rental rates for that particular suburb. The rental rates should be at least $100 per week higher than the purchase price of the property for sale. This is to ensure you make a profit and that the rental rate covers the mortgage payment. The next thing you need to check is if there is any major development happening in that area, which may eventually drive down prices and affect your desired return on investment, ROI. Now you have an idea of what to look for. Here's an idea of where to look. Finding a property that is affordable to buy has never been easier. The U.S. is home to some of the best cities where you can get really cheap properties. The Miami real estate market is a great investment opportunity, with the market steadily increasing over the past few years. Buying property in Miami is a wise move for people looking to invest. It's cheaper than other markets in the USA, and there's plenty of potential for growth. There are many options for real estate in Ann Arbor, Michigan. The median home price is $193,000, and the median rent price is $1,200. There are a unique set of neighborhoods that range from historic homes to new construction. The real estate market in Cape Coral, Florida, has been on the upswing in the past year. In fact, home sales have risen by 26% from last year. With a population of about 160,000 people and an average income of $55,000 per household, it's a prime place to invest in a home. Ocala, Florida is a suburb of Gainesville. Its proximity to the city has made it a desirable place for people to move to. It's also close to Orlando and Jacksonville, making it a good place for those looking for an affordable, accessible, and well-situated for convenience and accessibility. Welcome to your new home. The first thing you'll notice when exploring a city is the cost of living. In Richmond, VA, the median home listing price is $274,900. This is about $120,000 cheaper than the nationwide average for homes for sale. If you're looking for a fantastic opportunity to invest in real estate, there are a number of options in the Richmond, Virginia area. Richmond is a historic city recognized as the heart of Virginia's capital region. With a population of 210,000, it offers all the advantages of an urban setting. Plus, there is a large amount of green space and excellent schools. To wrap things up, investing in real estate without putting a lot of capital is possible. The key to it all is to invest in the right type of properties. If you are looking to purchase a house, but can't afford to buy one outright, consider buying a townhouse or condo instead. Townhouses are typically more affordable than single-family homes, so you can still have some equity in the property if it appreciates in value. When you are looking at condos, keep an eye out for ones that have been remodeled and have high demand. They're often easier to find and will net you a better return on investment when they sell, since they will most likely be listed for higher prices. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you start your journey, leave a comment, and as always, please subscribe.